गाडी गाडी पुढे आण थोडी म्हटलं सुरू आहे म्हणून तेवढा सांगा पुढं पुढं गाडी
नमस्कार। भारत पेट्रोलियम बहुत आभारी है कि हमें सीएम साहब ने मौका दिया कि हम सीएसआर प्रोजेक्ट के अंतर्गत ये एम्बुलेंस सीएसआई हॉस्पिटल को दे रहे हैं। मैं सभी का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा जो लोग उपस्थित हैं, हमारे कमिश्नर साहब, मेयर साहब, मिनिस्टर मैम,
हेल्थ मिनिस्टर।
So thank you very much for all of you for giving time. Like we at Bharat Petroleum always look into the CRSI activities, helping out government of Goa. Like we being in Goa, we always thought like something should be done for government of Goa and something to be done on a social cause too. Hence this CSR vehicle like we have gotten to, and thanks to CM sir, the Revenue Minister, Health Minister, and Rohit also coming over here and gracing the event. And we pledge that CSR is the top front, wherein Bharat Petroleum is always on the forefront of giving the things to the CSR in the activities to the government of Goa. And we foresee that we help in all respect in days to come too. And thank you for that. And we sir, like Bharat Petroleum during COVID period, like our sales force, our driver salesmen at the forecourt, we have been delivering all during the COVID time without looking any sort of this. So I wish like something if you can say of Bharat Petroleum having at the DSM, they were working 24 hours. Our outlet was operating 24 hours for the service of the nation and for the government and for the public utility as such. Something sir, if you can just throw some light on this way.
Madam,
Yeah. So they are.
Under the CSR activity, they've given us an ambulance, and this ambulance will be going straight to ESI South Margao. And when I took over as the minister, I remember I made Dr. Vishwajit a promise and said that I would give them an ambulance. And I would like to thank CM and Bharat Petroleum for helping me to achieve this, the promise that I kept. And at a time like this, I think another extra ambulance would really help. So thank you once again for your help.
माझ्या वतीन CSR प्रोग्रामाच्या अंतर्गत त्यांनी ESI हॉस्पिटलाक आज फुल फ्लेज आणि वेल इक्विप्ड ॲम्ब्युलन्स सर्विसीस दिल्या. ह्या सोहळ्याक आमच्या मदीं आमचे हेल्थ मिनिस्टरी आसा विश्वजीत राणे, इवन दो मॅडम जेनिफर मोन्सेरात, रोहित मोन्सेरात आणि भारत पेट्रोलियम साईड दिनेश अँड संतोष तांचे दोगूय रिप्रेझेंटेटीव हांगासर आसात. कोविडांतल्या महामारीत वता आसतना ही ॲम्ब्युलन्स आमकां खरोखरूच ESIच्या हॉस्पिटलांत परत एकदां खूप उपयोगी ठरतली. हांव गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा आणि ESI हाच्या वतीन तांकां खूप खूप देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. भारत पेट्रोलियम सर्विसीस वीच इज वर्किंग फॉर द 24/7 365 days ते काम करता फॉर द नेशन, फॉर द स्टेट, so that from government side whenever the support is required for the Bharat Petroleum, we are there to support them. हांव आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचेर हांव चड न उलयता, इतकेंच सांगतलो की आमी वन्स अगेन वी हॅव ESI हॉस्पिटल जें आसा हें कोवीड हॉस्पिटल म्हणून परत एकदा आमी सुरू केलां सद्याची कोवीड मॅनेजमेंट करपा खातीर. डॉक्टर विश्वजीत बनूया म्हणजे इनिशियल स्टेजीचेर जर सगळ्यांत व्हडलो सपोर्ट ESI कोवीड करता आसतना कोणी जर केलो आसत जाल्यार तो डॉक्टर विश्वजीत आनी हीज एंटायर टीम ऑन इन ESI हॉस्पिटल. खातीर तांकांय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. म्हणजे GMCच्या उपरांत फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव्ह टेकन बाय द डॉक्टर विश्वजीत एंड एंटायर टीम त्या खातीर. आनी परत एकदां हांव तांकां थँक्यू म्हणटा आयच्या ह्या तांच्यांनी ॲम्ब्युलन्स हँडओवर केल्याच्या बद्दल. थँक्यू. जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता म्हाका थोडे एकटोच आसा.
सर एक मिनट सर मला बोल करा.
झालं बरं झालं असं तर मग झालं
माझं फाटी या
काय येस चलो अहो प्रेस ॲड्रेस 4:30 वाजता मीटिंग कसली पयलीं की आमचे कन्सर्न पहिली हेल्थ ऑथॉरिटी सगळ्यांची मिटींग आशिल्ली मॅनेजमेंटाच्या संदर्भात दुसरी डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट आनी पॅन्डमीक कशें डील करप हाज्या संदर्भात ती आसली पण हे सगळें ब्रिफींग जें आसा हें 4:30 वरांचेर सगळ्याचेर ब्रिफींग 4:30 वरांचेर जाता.
On that, I think CM will have a press conference maybe sometime after 4:30 or 5. I think it is best.
your opinion on this?
See, we've discussed all this, but as per what CM has said, he said he will brief the press and give you all whatever required information that has to be. So it's not right on my part to say anything. He will address, and I think he will take up all issues. So whatever decision I think he'll take will be towards the good of the state.
Do you think that some restriction should come because of?
Like I just said, he will address the press after 4:30, and he said he will give you all the information that is. Thank you. Thank you.